In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover deleted work or go on a previous version of a document. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Blasts, where we give you the best tips to improve your classroom learning. This week's tip is version history inside of the G Suite Cloud of Applications. So let's say somebody accidentally deleted a slide on my presentation, and I'm unsure on how to get it back. To do this, all I want to do is go up to the top where it says last edit was, and then it will say a period of time, or the last time it was edited. Then it will open up this page here, with all of your previous versions of your documents. So let's say I'm trying to recover that slide that was accidentally deleted. To do this, all I'd want to do is click on an older version of the document, for example this one here, and click on Restore Version at the top left. And now, as you can see, this slide has now been replaced. If you're interested in a more detailed video explaining more about how to use this, click or tap the video shown on screen now, or for another video by Google Tutorials, click or tap the video shown on screen now, and I'll see you soon.